Hello friends, welcome to Student Corner. Today we will discuss about AP POLYCET 2025 examination, pattern, syllabus and important dates. Important dates are application start date is March 12th 25 and last date of application is April 15, 25 and date of examination will be April 30, 25. Timings will be 11 am to 1 pm. Pattern. The question paper will be offline mode only. Consists of 120 questions. Each question carries single mark and there is no negative marking. Total subjects are maths, physics and chemistry. Number of questions in each subject is maths 50 and marks 50. Physics 40 questions 40 marks. Chemistry 30 questions 30 marks. Pass mark will be 36. Good score is 80 marks and greater than 80 marks. How to apply? Open the link. Fill details in application form. Upload photo and signature. Pay the application fee. Download hall ticket 1 week before the examination date. Coming to the exam syllabus, maths is quadratic equations, theory of equations, matrices, permutations and combinations, binomial theorem, partial fractions, exponential and logarithmic series, probability, random variables and distribution. Exam syllabus physics, heat, refraction of light at plane surfaces, electric current, reflection of light by different surfaces, human eye and colorful world, electromagnetism. Exam syllabus chemistry, classification of elements, the periodic table, principles of metallurgy, chemical reactions and equations, structure of atoms, chemical bonding, carbon and its compounds, acids, bases and salts. This is the overall exam syllabus. You have to study maths, physics, chemistry thoroughly to score good marks in your exam. Also prepare a short note on all these topics which I have discussed earlier to score good marks. You have approximately 40 days for the exam. Prepare a time plan and prepare a running notes on all these topics. Solve previous year question papers and go for mock tests. If you want to score good marks in your exam, please follow our channel. We will provide previous year question papers with solutions. We will also have mock tests. We will tell you easy tricks for problem solving. It can save your time and speed up your problem solving capacity. You can solve more questions and score good marks in your exam. All the best for your exams. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel.